Hey guys, it's Ayami. Welcome to Ayami's Cooking. Today I'm going to make Japanese famous chicken wings called Dreamlike Chicken Wings. If you have been to Japan, you might have seen the place called Sekaino Yama-chan. The Sekaino Yama-chan is really famous for chicken wings. So today I'm going to make Yama-chan's chicken wings. Now let's get started. Here's my chicken wings. So I'm gonna do some preparation. First, just to stuff them. First, I'm going to stuff my chicken wings with the fork. This Yama-chan's Tebasaki is kind of really tiny, like this big. But I couldn't find this tiny chicken wings, so I'm using just the normal chicken wings in Australia. I don't know if this is a normal size. I really don't care. Jan. Next, sprinkle some pinches of salt on chicken wings. Then add about 1 tablespoon of cooking sake. Then mix well. Momi. And then leave them for now. Next, I'm going to make sauce, tare, whatever it is. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of mirin, 2 teaspoons of cooking sake, then 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then add a tiny bit of garlic powder. Then warm this up in the microwave for about 20 seconds on 1000 watt. Ta-da! Tare! Smells so nice. Next, wipe off the water from the chicken wings. This is really important, so make sure your chicken wings are all dried. Now coat them with flour. Now I'm going to fry them at 150 degrees for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, flip them over. Then fry them for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take them out. Then let them for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, fry them again, but this time fry them at 190 degrees for 1 minute on both sides. So flavor. After 1 minute, flip them over again. Be careful, it's super hot. Then fry them for another 1 minute. Ta-da! Ooh, nice golden brown. So crunchy. Next, put the sauce on chicken wings, the tare that we made. And flip them over. Tare on both sides. It smells so nice. Then next is the important thing. Jam. Black pepper and white pepper. Use both of them. Sprinkle both of peppers a lot. Like this. A lot. The point is a lot. On both sides. You may think it's too much, but it's not too much. This is what the Yama-chan no Tebasaki is. Kanse! Dekimashita! Ta-da-da-da! Then place them in a plate nicely. Ta-da! Dreamlike Chicken Wings! Oh my goodness, looks so good. Smells so nice. Itadakimasu. This smells like exactly the same as Yama-chan no Tebasaki. So oishii. It's so good. So please try this recipe, and if you go to Japan, please try the Yama-chan's place. This tebasaki was really good. Even if you don't know what Yama-chan's tebasaki is, I want you to try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.